Hello everyone, Namaskar, Raj Krishna this side, and welcome back to this series on integration where we are learning integration right from basics. So, one more question in this series might be the last one of this type. Uh, we are discussing integration of trigonometric function right now. Uh, so, we'll gradually move from one subtopic to the other. These are just basic ones. So, how to integrate this? This type of problem gets reduces to simple integration like integration of sine x, integration of cos x, integration of x, integration of dx, integration of secant x tan x, just like this. So we'll have to reduce this complex looking thing into those integrations. So as you can see, you know one formula, a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So let's use this here, but for that we have to make some platform. So we can write this as sine square x whole cube, because we are comfortable with sine square, because sine square x plus cos square x somehow it becomes 1. So cos square x whole cube, this is same as power 6, this is same as power 6. Denominator leave as it is for the moment. Let's move ahead. A cube plus b cube is a plus b. So a is your sine square x, b is your cos square x. So just add them. And then we have a square. So a square will give you sine square x whole square. So that is nothing but sine power 4x minus a times b. That means minus of a is sine square x, b is cos square x, plus b square, that means cos power 4x. You don't have to worry about sine power 4 and cos power 4. We'll tackle with that in the next few steps. But the best thing about this step is we are getting sine square x plus cos square x, which we know from our basic idea is equal to 1. So this bracket will not be visible from next step because this is 1. This bracket equals to 1. Now we are left with this, so we have to simplify this. So sine power 4 plus cos power 4, a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab, because if you take this term to the other side you are going to get a square plus a plus b whole square. Okay, so this bracket gets reduced, so we are taking this and this, so this is a square plus b square. So let's write it something like that, sine square x whole square cos square x whole square, and this minus sine square x cos square x divided by sine square x cos square x. Fine. Now again, a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus twice ab. A is sine square x, b is cos square x, and one more sine square x cos square x is there. This divided by sine square x cos square x. So as you have got the idea till now. In so many question I have told that we always want to get rid of denominator. Okay, so in next step, see, this is 1 because sine square x plus cos square x is 1, 1 whole square is 1 only. So this becomes 1 minus, this is minus of 2, this is minus of 1, so minus of 3 sine square x cos square x divided by sine square x cos square x. If you separate this, you'll get 1 divided by sine square x cos square x minus 3 times sine square x divided by sine square x cos square x divided by sine square x cos square x. Now first bracket, again we have to solve this first integral, and this is simplified to 1, so integration of dx is x only. So this integration we know, we will have to further solve this. There is a easier technique also to solve in order to avoid these steps. This all steps, I will tell you a different method also. Just wait for that. Let's first use this method. So this becomes integration of dx, which is x. So you are getting minus 3x from here, and we have to now solve this. So here 1 I can replace by sine square x plus cos square x. So I get, in place of 1 I can write sine square x plus cos square x divided by sine square x cos square x minus 3 times x. Now again separate. So you're getting sine square x divided by, this question we have already done, plus cos square x sine square x cos square x. Okay. See, you might keep on writing because we have already integrated once. So now this gets cancelled. 1 upon cos square x is nothing but secant square x. Dx will also come here. Plus cos square gets cancelled. 1 upon sine square x is cosecant square x. This gives you tan x. This gives you minus of cot x. What other method I was talking about, that from this step you got sine power 4 minus sine square x cos square x plus this divided by sine square x cos square x. So there only would have separated this. That is also a good method. What I am saying, that I was getting integral of sine power 4x minus sine square x cos square x plus cos power 4x they here only if you separate. So dx minus integral of sine square x cos square x plus integral of cos power 4x sine square x cos square x dx. Okay, so here 1 cos square sine, two powers of sine will get cancelled. You are getting sine square x in numerator and cos square x in denominator. That is nothing but sine by cos is tan square x, minus here cos square, entire term is getting cancelled. Integration of dx is simply x. Here cos, two powers of cos is getting cancelled. Cos square x divided by sine square x is cot square x. Again, tan square x I can write as secant square x minus 1 because I don't know the direct formula. This is x. This I can write as cosecant square x minus 1. This again I can separate. So this question becomes a bit lengthy. But if you know the basic integrations, you will not stuck in this problem. So integration of secant square x is tan x minus x minus x. Integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x, and here again minus x. Fine. Problem. Minus x minus x minus x. So minus 3 times x. From here you get tan x, from here you get cot x, and minus 3 times x plus a constant. Same answer I think we are getting from both the methods. They are just different methods. Tan x minus cot x minus 3x plus. Okay. So to summarize this problem, a bit lengthy one, but different approaches are there. Both the approaches are equally lengthy, I will say. So what was the first thing we did? We wrote the numerator in form of a cube plus b cube. Then a cube plus b cube formula is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So that a plus b term reduced to 1 because sine square x plus cos square x is 1. Then further you can either choose to separate them at that step only by this method. Method number 2 was that, or you can choose to use this formula. A square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and reduce the same. Okay, in this step, after this I took 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 steps, and in this, after this step I took 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, equally lengthy I would say. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something. No more fear from this problem. Keep if you are having any doubt, try to solve it once again, and if you are stucking anywhere, so again rewatch this video, and do teach this integral to your friend. Integral is not the thing that you will study only for exam. This becomes interest. If you get learn it well, then this will become an interest for your entire life. So do learn this important integration. You can visit my playlist integration 2023 for deeper understanding. Study there from basics and you will get it interesting. Thanks again for giving the time for this problem.